Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm gonna share with you all a productive day in my life. So today I wake up around 7 and here I'm seeing a very beautiful flower which is of sunflower. So let me know in the comment section that which is your favorite flower. So let's begin with today's video. So the first thing I'm doing is to organize the bed. So it is very much important that I organize my bed right in the morning. After that, here I am cleaning my desk. So here I'm going to drink the milk, and along with that I'm going to do bullet journaling. Now it is one of the new skill that I want to develop in myself, because doing journaling in the morning is very good, because in journal we can write our views and new ideas that come to my mind. So here I'm doing this.